Hey everybody, let me ask you, do you know the secret, the hot dog secret? I bet you don't. Most people don't know the hot dog secret. If you like hot dogs, you have to know the secret. I'm showing you the secret today on Buzz Cooks, so stick around. We're making hot dogs with the secret. Buzz Cooks. Hey, real quick announcement to make. I got a new channel, Vegas Buzz. It is a channel that is going to have videos about the history of Las Vegas, so if that appeals to you in any way, make sure you check it out. Vegas Buzz on YouTube. All right, let's get busy with these hot dogs. So before we get into the secret of the hot dogs, let's start off with what we need just to make hot dogs. You got to have a lot of condiments. So we're going to go with some super thin sliced red onion, some thin sliced Roma tomatoes. We'll slice those and then we'll slice them again in half so they look almost like a half moon. That way they stack up nice on the bun. And once we get these plated, I'm going to chop up in half, or cut in half I should say, some sweet and spicy pickles. And we'll put those on the plate as well. And then we're going to get our hot dogs ready. Now what I like to do with my hot dogs is take one side and cut diamonds in them. So we're going to go across one way like that. Then we'll flip the hot dog and go across the other way. And that way one half, when it's grilled up, has a nice diamond cut to it. So we'll get all these cut up and we'll get our flat top out, and we're going to set that up to about 350 degrees. So we're ready to start grilling these hot dogs on the flat top. If you don't have a flat top, you can use a cast iron skillet, or you can do them out on the grill. Either will work just fine. Like I said, none of this is the secret. This is just cooking hot dogs. So we're going to lay them out, then we're going to hit them with a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to start those to grilling up. And while I'm doing that, if I can remind you to please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. I put a new video out every Wednesday and every Sunday. Thank you very much. Alright, we got these grilling now. The oil's going. And we're going to move them around a little bit after a few minutes. And you'll see here how nice they just start to brown up and cook. Look at that. I love that. Okay, so we'll let them go for another few minutes before we turn them again. And once we turn them again, we'll remove them and I'll start to build our hot dogs. That's what you're looking for. Caramelization all over. Beautiful. Alright, let's pull these off. I've got two kinds of buns, just so I can show you that this secret I'm talking about works no matter what bun you use. So I've got the regular old-fashioned hot dog bun, and I've got a pretzel bun as well. So we got all of our ingredients ready to go. We're going to put our bun down. We're going to hit it with mustard first. I'm using stone ground mustard. And we'll lay our dog in there. Now we're going to come with the three slices of tomato, then our sliced red onion, some Chicago style relish. I've got some pickled red onion. We really want to load this guy up because I want to prove that the secret I'm talking about really works. So we're going to load this sucker up. Come back with the pickles. And now it's time for the secret. Dun, dun, dun. We're going to put down paper towel, and we're going to wrap this sucker tight in a paper towel and let it sit for a couple of minutes before you eat it. And what this secret does, everything stays on the hot dog. Yep, I don't know how it works, but if you don't wrap it, you take a bite, your condiments go all over the place. After you wrap it and let it sit for a few minutes, you take a bite, everything stays tight in the hot dog. I'm telling you, it is something I learned years ago from a guy that I worked with that worked at a Chicago hot dog stand and taught me the secret. It makes a difference. Trust me. If you don't like having your condiments go all over the place, use this paper towel trick, and you'll never have a problem with any of your condiments flying off your hot dog again. It is amazing. Alright, so we're doing the pretzel bun the same way. And then we'll roll it up in a paper towel, and you are set. Next time you have hot dogs, do this trick. I'm telling you, you'll be happy you did because you won't have a mess. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video, and enjoy your hot dog with the new secret.